Today is World Teachers Day, a day when we celebrate the positive impact teachers have on the achievement and well-being of York Region District School Board students. Teachers show up every day with kindness, patience, and compassion. They deliver high-quality learning, help students overcome challenges, and work to make learning meaningful, relevant, and fun every day. Teachers do so much more than just teach. They inspire, support, and uplift. They organize extracurricular activities, supervise school clubs, and plan school events. Teachers help students believe in themselves, overcome challenges, and discover their potential both in the classroom and beyond. Their patience, compassion, and professionalism create learning environments where students feel seen, valued, and empowered to succeed. Thank you for your dedication and the difference you make in the lives of students, their families, and our communities. Your commitment to student achievement has made York Region District School Board one of the top performing boards in the province of Ontario. Thank you for your care and professionalism.